to Vahrenberg Implement. We're here today at home with our 1526 and a Worksaver Electric Grapple. You can see it's got electric solenoid right here. We can actually operate that solenoid while the tractor's actually off because it's powered. We can close it. And you can hear that overrunning clutch. That means it's fully closed. Open it up. And it's got a overrunning clutch on both directions. This does not require a third function kit, a hydraulic third function. All it needs is electric. You got a connector here to just take it off when you're going back to your bucket, but all you do is you run it to your battery supply and you have a switch right here to operate it. This thing is multi-use. It's a skid steer quick attach 48-inch grapple, perfect for those subcompacts and small compact tractors. For those owners that don't have the ability to have a hydraulic third function kit, as this tractor does not. This is the older L90 loader prior to the hydraulic third function kit, so electric grapple was our only choice. This has 6 teeth tines across the bottom you can scrape with, and you have 3 tines to clamp with on top. Got a big wide opening there. I think it's around 33-inch opening, but it's built tough, built strong, and it sure makes life easy for us here on our own little ranchette, picking up limbs. But it's built with pride in Litchfield, Illinois. American-made product from Workmaster. We're going to show you how we use it here to move limbs, to scrape the ground, to pick up limbs and that stuff, and not have to get off the tractor and break our back picking up limbs. One of the most popular tools. Everybody says they're too expensive until they own one, and then they say they wouldn't live without it. So we're going to put it to work, do a little spring cleanup on our acreage, and show you how we use it to pick up limbs and put them and build brush piles and keep stream bank erosion and all that stuff from our little creek here on our ranchette. Hope you enjoy the video. One of the things you can do is come in and open your teeth up, then rotate it down where your teeth are really close to the ground, and you can use it like a rake. To rake up material, push it. You want to clamp it, so we clamp material there, raise it up for you. The ESCG-48S Electric Grapple, man, it makes life easy when you want a third function and you don't have the ability to put a hydraulic kit. You can open it and dump it. Got a ratcheting clutch you heard there when you come to the end of the stroke, but it is a back saver. Take it down. We're going to do our scraping technique, our raking technique. Watch it there. Go over here. Now we're going to stop. Clamp, go down a little bit, clamp, rotate back, clamp and lift. We built this a little pile by raking up. We're going to come in, now we're going to grab it and take it to dump. I like coming down from the top, come in a little bit, scrape, gather, then close. Simple. Now we can go take it and dump it. Got a lot of pressure. Take it to where you need to go. Open it, hit it, open it. And dump. Got protection on both sides with the overrunning. Another branch has fallen down. Take it. Squeeze it, lift it, and get it out of the way. That way you're not mowing with your rotary cutter. Now we're going to go try to tackle that big branch though. We're going to try to grab it, pull it. Because it's hung out there in the tree. This is a widowmaker. We're going to take it. Grab it. We've got it back. Pulling it away from the tree. Look at that sucker. Now we're going to try to take it and tilt it over. Go. We'll take our loader. Now we're going to come back and grab it and put it in the woods where it can decompose and make good critter habitat. Drop it down. See the picked it up. Look at that. Look at the size of this tree branch. We pulled it out of that tree there. So we cleaned her up. Now we're going to put her in gear. We're going to take her down here to our dump pile. There's our neighbor cow. Woo! We got piles down here that we dump our brush in. Raise it up. Open it up. And back up. Now we need to do a little final cleanup here with our branches that are all broke out from that dead widowmaker. What we'll do is we'll drop this down, open it up. It's hard to do both functions at one time because we're filming in one hand, operating the joystick. to do is just skim that surface and rake her up. Rake her into the wood. We'll do another rake over here. That's the nice thing of a root grapple. Is being able to scratch the grass and not tear up all your good grass. We got a lot of nice grass here and don't want to tear it up, and that root grapple with them teeth on it, got 6 teeth across the bottom there. They're just going to scratch the grass. It'll actually aerate soil, make it grow better. You're not going to tear it up like a bucket. See that material down there collected? If we wanted to stop and collect it, we can close our grapple, pick it up, and then put it into the wood. Now we got another big limb. We're going to go in and grab it. Actually, it'd be better from the other side, but we'll see if we can take it and reach over, close the grapple, pick it up. See us picking it up here. Now we turn, drop that down. We're going to open her up one more time. Who says an electric grapple don't work? Works fine for me. We got this big long one on here today. We're gonna take it, get it out of our, this is a city easement roadway down through here. You can see to get to that gate for the sewer line, so we can move it out of their way and get use out of it. We can put it in our brush pile for our critters and controlling stream bank erosion. Big old limb. One of my favorite tools for a tractor. Here we're going to pick up a few little limbs. We're going to do a little raking again. We got several limbs here all mounded up. Build up a little pile. That's the easiest thing to do, is come in and build your piles. See it scraping down there. Come up a little bit. Raise it up. come in from the other angle where we can grab that pipe. Come back a little bit. You can see here we clamped a whole lot of different branches with that. Raked with it, got some leaves and that stuff, but we got a lot of branches to go get rid of, and we didn't have to get off the tractor. The Worksaver Electric ESCG-48S Grapple did it for us. Now you can see we're getting close to the edge here where we've got a little erosion ditch started here, and putting this in here will help slow the water. We'll just raise her up. We'll open it up. Open it and dump it. We got rid of all of our branches. And if you need to push a little bit while you got it open, just back up, drop her down. You can take her open. One other thing you can do, you can close this. Just close that and use it to push it in the ditch. Lots of uses for the Worksaver Grapple. I hope that helped you learn more how to use it. That it is a great product. You got limbs and that type of stuff. This is a great tool to put those limbs in their right place. Thank you, and check out more videos coming soon.